Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can connect Jabber to QuickBooks. So please listen carefully to each step and detail that I will be explaining, and this will help you sync invoices, payments, and client data automatically. So first, you will have to log into your Jabber account. So go ahead and log in. And once you're there, you will just have to go to your settings, and then you will see integration, and then you will click QuickBooks. Then you will click connect and then you will log into your QuickBooks account. Then you will allow Jobber to access your QuickBooks data, and then you will map Jobber fields like the clients, invoices, and payments to QuickBooks. Save the integration and test by syncing a sample invoice. And by the way, if your screen looks different, you can check under integrations and then you will see QuickBooks Online and then you will click connect. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.